Around 70 years have passed since birth of the Power Free in 1952, which launched Suzuki's motorcycle business here in Hamamatsu, the city of motorcycles. Suzuki won global recognition as a reliable motorcycle manufacturer through the development of successive generations of famous models, as well as experience and technologies cultivated through success in racing. Suzuki's motto, "Develop products of superior value by focusing on the customer," has been handed down through the generations. At Suzuki, we will continue offering fun in transportation and the joy of riding through our extensive lineup of models. So let's take a look now at the production process of Suzuki motorcycles, loved by customers in Japan and throughout the world. Suzuki's motorcycles are developed and put through a variety of tests at the Motorcycle Technical Center built next to Hamamatsu plant, as well as at the Ryuyo Proving Ground, both located in Shizuoka Prefecture. The first step in developing a Suzuki motorcycle is product planning. Customer needs are analysed meticulously through market surveys in considering the type of motorcycle to develop. Advanced technologies and new functions are examined from multiple perspectives to identify the possibilities before being incorporated into the new product. After determining the outline, next is the design process. Sketches drawn by the styling designer are brought to life by a clay modeler. Through trial and error, the clay model brings the curves and three-dimensional design to life in a way that cannot be portrayed through diagrams. Once the clay model is finished, its color scheme is decided. A color scheme to match the product concept is decided by combining colors that are in fashion with colors that symbolize Suzuki. The styling designer, clay modeler, color scheme designer, and engineer work together closely, making adjustments in millimeter increments in pursuit of stylishness and of functionality without making compromises. After the styling is finalized and the prototype is made, it undergoes repeated riding tests and bench tests. Riding tests are carried out in pursuit of optimized tuning by riders to realize Suzuki-style performance and operability. Rigorous bench tests are carried out to assess durability to vibrations, drops, and other impacts. Furthermore, repeated tests are carried out under a variety of road, climate, and use conditions around the world in pursuit of reliability, comfort, and the ultimate performance in all situations. These rigorous tests are repeated, while the design and structure are also reviewed over and over again in developing Suzuki motorcycles. The domestic production of Suzuki's motorcycles is carried out at Hamamatsu plant of the 5 plants in Shizuoka Prefecture. Motorcycles produced at Hamamatsu plant are shipped throughout Japan and the world. Moreover, overseas production of motorcycles began at Suzuki Indomobile Motor of Indonesia in 1970 and Suzuki Motorcycle India of India in 2006. Other than that, motorcycles are also produced throughout the world. So let's take a look now at the motorcycle manufacturing process at Hamamatsu plant. In the engine manufacturing process, metal heated to a molten state in a furnace is poured into molds in a casting process to form cylinder heads and other parts. Furthermore, molten metal is press-formed by forging to make gears, shafts and other parts. Parts made by casting and forging are cut and polished through machining to make finished components for engines. Then the machined parts are assembled into a complete engine. In the frame manufacturing process, frame parts are automatically welded by robots. This is how the motorcycle frame is made. The frame is coated and painted to prevent rust and color them. In the fuel tank manufacturing process, a stamping machine is used to form the basic shape of the fuel tank by punching and bending steel plates. Automatic welding is then carried out on the stamped parts. This is how the fuel tank is made. The tank is then finished with paint and decals. In the injection molding process, metal molds press form heated plastic to make cowls and other external parts. All parts, such as the engine, brakes, tank, meters, seat and tyres, are assembled onto the painted frame to complete the motorcycle. The fully assembled motorcycle undergoes a thorough visual check to make sure there are no scratches on the exterior and seat. The completed motorcycle undergoes a final inspection for performance, functions, and so on. Only motorcycles that pass these inspections are shipped out. In shipping completed motorcycles overseas from the plant, mirrors and other parts are removed to allow easier transportation. The parts and body are also enclosed in a metal frame to fix everything firmly in place, then packaged to prevent damage during shipment. This is how products are delivered carefully to customers throughout Japan and the world. Suzuki's first motorcycle was launched around 70 years ago. The spirit of monozukuri, or craftsmanship we value, is embodied in our knowledge and experience, which have been passed down through the generations. It is with confidence that we deliver to motorcycle fans all over the world the spirit of monozukuri and the top-class quality of Suzuki, cultivated in Hamamatsu of Japan. We will continue striving relentlessly in pursuit of motorcycles unique to Suzuki through our wealth of imagination to deliver products that offer peace of mind and fun to our customers every day. This is the goal we will aim to realize in taking on the challenges of new technologies.